Minority senators are asking the Philippine National Police to install an air conditioning unit in the room where Senator Leila de Lima is detained. 3 senators, Senate Minority Leader Franklin Drilon, Senator Kiko and Senator Risa sent a letter to Brigadier General Arthur Biznar, the director of the PNP Headquarters Support Service. The 3 lawmakers made an appeal due to health reasons. Last April, de Lima had to be confined to the Manila Doctors Hospital. According to de Lima's medical abstract, her migraines were triggered by hot environment, poor ventilation, and noise. Before her hospital confinement, allies of de Lima had worried she may have suffered a mild stroke.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.